fact, joining us tonight, Shireen Vakil Miller. She is the Director of Advocacy at Save the Children. In fact, we also spoke to the mother of that child who was abused, Noor Jahan, earlier in the day. But Shireen, if I could come to you first, obviously we're talking about one little boy's problem that also extrapolates across the country. I'm just looking at some of the shocking figures. More than 2 lakh children work in people's homes. These are people who are well off, who are educated. According to one survey, about 40% of the domestic helps in Mumbai, just the city of Mumbai, were under the age of 15. Is there an easy solution? Is there one thing you can tell people tonight that could help the problem?
Yeah, I mean, as you said, it is a huge problem. I mean, this case is very shocking, but it's not surprising because it is a huge problem. I think there are 2 things. One is that the police must do their job and must make sure that the person is punished, collect all the evidence from all the sources, try not to go back too much to the child because that can be doubly traumatizing for the child to have too many people question him, but make sure that you get all the evidence and make sure that the person is convicted under various acts, the Child Labour Act, the Juvenile Justice Act, the IPC Act. The other thing is that the community members and people out there, this is a well-to-do family, so everybody out there has a role to play. And if anybody knows that people are employing children, especially resident welfare societies, they should immediately report it to the police. They can call Childline, as you pointed out, on 1098, but they must make sure that they do something and make sure that people do not get away with both employing children and treating children with such violence and abuse. I mean, it's really not on and not okay to hit children, whether you're a teacher, certainly not to employ children, but whether you're a teacher, you're a parent, or anywhere. And unfortunately, people feel that they can get away with violence against children and nothing will happen to them.
Certainly, and these images certainly very, very disturbing in today's case from Gurgaon. In fact, we spoke to the mother of the child who was abused and beaten up, Noor Jahan, earlier in the day. She now has demanded compensation and wants to take care of the child herself.
जाके देखा तो कि बच्चा पुलिस ले गई, थाने से फिर बच्चा लेकर आए। बच्चे की हालात बहुत खराब थी, रात को एडमिट कराया। बहुत बुरी हालात थी मेरे बच्चे के, साथ उठा भी नहीं जा रहा था, कि ना चला जा रहा था, ना चाय पी जा रही थी, कि बोल भी नहीं सकता था। इसके गले में भी पता नहीं क्या निकल रहा था, बहुत मोटा गला हो रहा, और उंगलियों पर भी सरिये बजाई। ये पता नहीं था कि ये लोग ऐसे निकलेंगे। कुत्ता छोड़ देती थी, कुत्ता इसके काट लेता था, काम कराती थी, सब पोछा लगवाती थी, ये नहीं करता था, इसको मारती थी, फिर बर्तन धुलवाती थी, ये नहीं होता था, ये जब मारती थी, और ये काम ही नहीं करता था तो खाना ही नहीं देती थी। बस मैं यही चाहती, मेरे बच्चे का अस्पताल का जो सिद्ध दवाई दारू में लगेगा वो मुझे मिल जाना चाहिए। मैं अपने बच्चे का अपना भी पालन पोषण कर लिखा पढ़ा कर मैं अपने पास ही रखना चाहती, मैं किसी को देना नहीं चाहती अपना बच्चा। आज तो इतना बड़ा जुल्म हुआ, कल को पता नहीं जाने इसे कोई मार कर नाले में डाल दे, पता नहीं क्या करे इसके साथ।